2026 Moskvitch Aleko 2141 is a modernized version of the classic Russian hatchback, blending Soviet-era durability with contemporary engineering and design. This model brings a fresh take on an iconic vehicle, incorporating advanced technology, enhanced comfort, and improved performance to meet the expectations of modern drivers. Under the hood, the 2026 Moskvitch Aleko 2141 is expected to feature a range of powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient internal combustion engine and a hybrid variant for those seeking better fuel economy and lower emissions. The base model is likely to come with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine producing around 140 horsepower, while the hybrid version could integrate an electric motor for a combined output of approximately 180 horsepower. These powertrains are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, delivering a smooth driving experience. Built on an updated monocoque chassis, the new Aleko 2141 offers improved structural rigidity and enhanced safety features. The suspension system has been refined to provide a comfortable ride while maintaining stability on rough roads, making it well suited for Russia's diverse driving conditions. The front-wheel drive configuration remains standard, but an all-wheel drive option may be introduced for better traction in snowy and off-road environments. The exterior design retains the essence of the original Aleko while incorporating modern aesthetics. Sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a streamlined body shape give the car a contemporary look. The alloy wheels come in various sizes, ranging from 16 to 18 inches, depending on the trim level. The aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency while adding a stylish touch. A selection of vibrant exterior color options enhances the car's visual appeal, catering to different customer preferences. Inside, the cabin has been completely redesigned to meet modern standards of comfort and technology. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and ergonomic seats create a pleasant driving experience. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster alongside a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, navigation, and voice command functionality. Climate control, wireless charging, and ambient lighting further enhance the interior ambiance. Safety and driver assistance technologies have been significantly upgraded. The car includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced braking system. Multiple airbags, reinforced door structures, and electronic stability control ensure maximum protection for passengers. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces easier. The cargo space remains practical, offering ample room for luggage and daily essentials. The rear seats can be folded down to expand storage capacity, making it a versatile choice for families and travelers. The fuel efficiency of the hybrid variant is expected to be impressive, delivering around 50 miles per gallon, making it an economical option for long drives. The 2026 Moskvitch Aleko 2141 represents a significant step forward for the brand, combining nostalgia with modern performance and features. It is designed to compete with contemporary hatchbacks while staying true to its Russian automotive heritage. With its blend of efficiency, safety, and practicality, this car is expected to appeal to a wide range of buyers. For more updates on upcoming car models, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.